Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm here with a very quick tip. A lot of people ask me where is the oil filter. So here I am answering that question. So the first thing I want to do is I've got this image and I'm going to just duplicate this layer. So let me just select Ctrl J or Command J, and now I'm going to filter, convert to smart filter. So this way I have more control over the filter I'm going to create. So I'm going now to filter, stylize and oil paint. There you go, now you know where it is. And I'm just going something crazy, and let me see preview, something like so, and it looks quite cool. Let me just add a bit more. There you go, and click OK. And the reason why I applied smart filter is if I want to tweak again, I'll just double click on the oil paint and tweak it and click OK, and it will be updated. There you go, now you know where to find the oil filter. So filter, stylize, oil paint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with everyone. Thumbs up, it's really appreciated. If you want a tutorial, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.